Now we're going to work out the curl here. There's a formula from the exam paper. Right, V3 is going to be Z. V2 is going to be minus Y. And V1 is minus X. So dV3 dy is the first derivative of Z with respect to Y. Now Z will be held as constant, so it becomes 0 because there ain't no Y in there, right? Then we're going to get dV2 dz. dV2, V2 is minus Y, there's no Z in there, so we get a 0 again. dV3 dx, again dV3 dx, V3 is Z, so that's dz dx, again we get 0. And next up is dV1 dz. V1 is minus X, differentiate that with respect to 0. There's no Z in there, we hold that as a constant, so we get 0 again. dV2 dx, dV2 dx, and there's V2, it's a minus Y is always there. With respect to X, there's no X, that's constant with respect to X, so that becomes 0 and differentiate. Then we have dV1 dy. V1 is minus X, differentiate minus X with respect to Y. This is constant, so we get 0. So simply the curl V equals, you're going to have 0 minus 0i, so you're just going to have 0i minus 0j plus 0k. We won't have a straight under the 0 there. Anyway, that's no big deal. So that's it, and you might have to interpret that something or other, but leave that for another day. Let me know if you find any problems or issues there.